राम राम भाई सारियन है। आज हमारा 75 डेज हार्ड चैलेंज में स्वागत है मिस्टर राहुल का। और राहुल ऑलरेडी कई सारे चैलेंज कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। आज भी राहुल हमारे साथ हैं। इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन एंड हाउ टू आंसर एनी क्वेश्चंस, ये हमारा सेशन रहने वाला है आज का। और 75 हार्ड चैलेंज अगर आपने पहले वाले नहीं देखे हैं तो जल्दी से देखिए, क्योंकि इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए कितना इंप्रूवमेंट हो सकता है एक स्टूडेंट में, वो आप लाइव राहुल के साथ देख सकते हैं। जब राहुल यहाँ आए थे तो क्या एक्सपीरियंस था और अभी क्या है राहुल की स्पीकिंग। आपको हिंदी टू इंग्लिश सीखना है और सिंपल आपको इंडियन एक्सेंट में इंग्लिश सीखना है, तो ये चैलेंज आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल होने वाले हैं। सो राहुल, आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay, Rahul. First thing, tell us something about yourself, just little bit.
Okay, my name is Rahul and I have completed my 12th 2021. Now I am doing and I am a student of Howard Institute.
Okay. What is your experience with Howard Institute right now? When you are came here, what is your quality? And right now, what is the difference between your personality?
Okay. So when I came here, I am not able to speak in English. I don't know how to speak English, and if everyone want to speak me in English, then I was not able to give any reply in English. But now I can give reply with confidence. So I know that now I am ready for give any reply in English.
Okay, that's great. It means you are able to speak English right now. When you are came here, you have, I think, you don't have any confidence and knowledge. So both are important for speaking, confidence and knowledge. But which is very very important for speaking English, according to you?
According to me, knowledge is more than important compared to.
Okay, compared to the confidence, but in speaking, confidence is must to develop in your personality. Suppose that when you are came here, you have knowledge about yourself. What is your name? What is your father name and your residence and all about you, your hobby. But you can't speak when you are came here the first time. When you have chance to speak front of the peoples on the podium and you give the presentation about you, but you can't speak any single words. It means confidence and knowledge both are important for speaking, right? So how to build your confidence? What is the way?
If anyone if anyone don't have any confidence and he wanna speak in English, then he can practice in front of mirror and he can practice with a call with a friend. So like I am doing practice with my friend in call, and I am practice at my home in front of mirror. So you can.
Okay, that great. So practice is the main ingredient in to learn English, right? And English all about the practice game. So how much time did you practice while you in learning phase?
Basically, now I am doing practice at my home only 2 hours.
Only 2 hours you did practice with someone. With whom did you practice?
My friend, my coaching friend Aditya, we are just doing both call, just doing call and I did practice. We do practice.
Speakings comes by speakings. This is right or wrong? Speaking comes from speaking. बोलने से आता है. What do you think?
Yes, sir, it is right according to me.
So in initial condition, how we should practice in initial condition when I came here. So according to you, you have already done this thing and you have already passed this segment. Your initial condition. Initial condition is very tough to start your speaking. So how a new student cross this phase?
So if anyone want to learn English, then he don't know how to speak English and he don't have many confidence in build learn English. So first is build his confidence and second is use to basic fundamental in English, and you know he need to know how to speak in English in front of everyone. So he need to do practice more and more.
Okay. So thank you राहुल. And today, dear student, practice must है. राहुल ने बहुत ज़्यादा practice की है. देन राहुल के पास अभी कॉन्फिडेंस है बोलने का, इंग्लिश में ये बोल सकते हैं। और काफ़ी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो इन्होंने की हैं, क्योंकि पहला वीडियो अगर पहला चैलेंज इनका नहीं देखा है तो ज़रूर देखिएगा। तब कैसे ये इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल पाते थे, कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा लो होता था, लेकिन अभी ये इम्प्रूवमेंट कर रहे हैं। तो राहुल ने अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट किया है। अगर आपका इनका वीडियो पसंद आता है तो वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके सपोर्ट करिए। मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच वॉचिंग दिस सेशन।